Hey guys, this is Sean with Integrity Ranch. We're just out here getting the chores done. Got the two oldest kids with me and they're catching frogs. Nothing better than a nice summer evening, cools off a little bit, crickets are chirping, and kids are out catching frogs. Living the good life right there. You guys catch any frogs yet?
Yeah.
Oh wow. What you gonna do with them? Too bad we don't have our fishing pole.
Fishing?
Yeah, I don't think there's any fish in this little pond. Especially with how dried up it is. It's about 3 foot low. About like the rest of the ponds around here. Show you guys the ewe lambs and doelings we have here. 2023, pretty dry summer. We had to switch things up a little bit with how dry it got. We had a little bit of food here, a little bit of food there, and so we went ahead and pulled the ewe lambs and the doelings. We normally don't do that. But this year we weaned those. We always pull the ram lambs and bucks because we don't want winter babies. But this year we decided to pull the females and separate them just because we have this pasture here to graze. But by pulling them, we have ran out of pretty much all of our step-ins and reels. So we're using netting. I set this O'Brien right here so that I could get over the fence, hopefully without shocking myself while I was videoing. Lola, you're such a good guard dog, huh? Such a good girl. Just got them moved into this section. Little paddock. We got our little watering rig there. We're just hauling water to them. Springborn lambs, May lambs, and May kids. No wormer, no grain. Just fresh grass, that's the only thing they get. And water, it's a mineral. They're browsers. We're grazing this pasture behind some horses. We don't own this land. We don't really even lease it, so it's kind of just a brush cleanup. We're grazing it behind some horses and a couple Jersey milk cows, so we're just trying to graze it light and be the weed cleanup pretty much. Man, last week was in the hundreds. I mean, at 8 o'clock at night, it was still so hot you thought you were gonna die. And this week has been amazing already. Just 20, 30, 25 degree difference. It's cooling off at night and just makes it enjoyable to be out here in the evenings. Really browsing there. Hey guys, you're all right. I have that one guard dog. He's a little bit wild. We call him Wild Dog, and he likes to run around and get everyone excited. We on purpose put him in here just because I knew it's going to be a small area. It's a good chance for him. Good time for him just to kind of get warmed up to people. He stays with the herd really well, but I've only pet him maybe 2 times. This little herd of ewes and doelings really likes to graze all bunched up. They always like to stay together. There's no older ones in here, So I guess they've learned that they stick together, they feel more safe. This is the 2023 female crop. There's still a couple in here, you know, we'll thin through them. But this is what we're gonna have for sale for ewes and doelings. Some of the dinky ones in here will be just culled out. These things have never been wormed, their moms have never been wormed. You know, they come from a long line of no worming, no doctoring. Just fresh grass and mineral and water, and that's it. That brown goat there is going to work over that Lesbodiza. Well, it's getting late. I better head home, go get the kids, and tell them that the frog hunting is over with. We better save some frog hunting for another day. Appreciate everyone watching. If you guys would hit that thumbs up, we'd really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel, and that'd be awesome. Thank you.